Noon, pero mas sexy mga guests natin. Nai-insecure ako.
Nagulat ka nga kanina eh.
Oo.
Ano sabi mo? Saan,
Wow.
saan ang galing yung mga anak?
Oo. Pero mo, may mga anak na pala siya.
Meron.
O, diba?
Ako din natin.
Sana pag ako naging mommy, in the far future, nililino ko po,
Lapit ka na.
mommy, malapit ko dyan.
Dami-dami nakakapul sa'yo.
Mabo lang, di naman nila
Pagbigyan mo
mabo.
naman.
Iba talaga partner. Sana ganun din ako kasing sexy.
Of course, did you imagine that?
Diba? Well-maintained.
Oh, tsaka mag-partner sila
Yes.
for life.
Parang ano yan eh, parang sabi nila, the couple that works out together stays together.
Saan
Oh!
mo nadali yun? Ang alam ko dun, the family that prays together stays together.
Nilabais ko lang. Kasi pag-usapan natin ay fitness nga naman.
Kaya kanina, pero mamaya they should follow us first, ano, para yung mga questions nila would be referred to our guests.
Of
Kasi ang
course.
pag-uusapan ngayon, it's a fitness couple.
Couple.
Ibig sabihin,
Meaning, ano
mag-asawa
po?
sila and they are in shape.
Very much in shape. At nandito rin ang kanilang tatlong anak to attest that they really are a couple. Na sila nga talagang sabi ko nga sa'yo, the family or the couple that works out together, stays together. Nga naman nakabantay sa gym, di pwede tumingin sa iba. Kundi yung dumbbell, pak! Gano'n, di ba?
Ikaw talaga, oo nga
Hindi,
naman,
hindi.
ano?
Oo.
Talagang nasa likod si Honey. How do you call each other?
Pakilala na natin sila
Pakilala
muna,
natin.
di ba? Dahil intriga rin ako sa kanilang surname. We have with us in the studio si Liza Schneider at ang kanyang napaka-macho. Akala ko kanina pagpasok, superhero eh.
Oh.
Pati yung suit niya kasi pulang-pula, tapos ang macho, si Sydney Schneider. Good afternoon sa inyo.
Welcome.
Hi, Gretchen. Hi, Senator. And
Hi,
hi
how are
to
you?
the televiewers and the listeners.
Baka meron kayong mga friends na nakikinig at yung maka-workout nyo na nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Yes. I'd like to say hi to our friends and relatives and neighbors and gym mates.
Can I watch me right
My
now?
Ninang Marley Angeles, thanks for a nice dental care.
Ayun po.
At saka ano, you of course work out together or do you have separate times?
We work out together.
Talagang,
Yes,
the
we make it
other
a
one
point to work
does-
out together. It's more fun.
Oo nga, no?
But I wanna ask, kung dun sila nagkakilala sa gym,
Oh, yeah.
di ba, what is your love story? Diba?
Lisa will
Or
answer
pumasok
that
na naman ang
question.
pagka-Gretchen Pulido mo. Ikaw talaga, chismis
Hindi
na naman
kasi
yun.
couple eh.
Oo,
Siyempre,
sige, sige.
isabi
Tama.
natin they work out together. So, dun pa nagsimula ang kanilang romance. O nga, parang naging showbiz nga eh.
Ay,
no?
oo.
Pero how did it all start?
Basically, Sydney and I are together 24/7. Now, how it started, we were introduced by a mutual friend.
At a party.
At a party?
Yeah.
Was it love at first sight? Nakita lang. Meron pa ba nun?
Meron pa nun.
Sige.
Senator, I thought we were here to discuss fitness.
Uy, kasama mo na sa
Ay, kasama rin.
Sir, to be candid, yes.
Oh, yeah, to be
Yes.
candid nga naman, yes.
Especially on Sydney's end.
Ay, laglag yun. Shame ni crush ako.
Sir, you were asking us earlier what we call each other.
Yes.
I call Sydney me, or
Oh.
Sydney
For?
and Honey.
For
So,
Honey.
and he calls me T. T?
Bakit
Well, he
Short for cutie. But,
Ayun.
Oh, yan naman, no?
cute, but
Bago
that's
yun,
how he
bago
calls
yun,
me.
ha?
Si... Ikaw, Carmen, ikaw partner na tawag mo ba kay Liz?
Depende. Pag masama loob ko, Elizabeth!
Parang nire-reprimand mo naman.
Pero pagka sweetie, honey. Pero lahat ng even our grandchildren, nasanay na ang tawag lang sa kanya, honey.
Honey. Ang cute.
Ako Lols.
Lols. Oh, lols. But you mentioned earlier that magkasama kayo 24/7. So, anong oras kayo of the day nag-workout together?
we usually work out in the afternoon,
Mm.
after lunch. Usually we'll attend to all our obligations in the morning with our children, with our
And our work.
work. Then,
Oo, ang tanong nga dun, nag-work ba kayo? Kasi sabi niyo magkasama sila partner 24/7, di ba? Ibig sabihin ng buong araw, 7 days a week.
Yes.
So, saan papasok doon ang work?
We're partners in everything kasi we're each other's best friend eh. We have a realty, but our time is very flexible. That's why. And events led us to this, gave us a lot of time to workout and really do it religiously. And we realized at this point in our lives, we really need to be strong and healthy and fit. Not to mention, syempre yung parang perk na rin, we want to look good for ourselves and for each other.
Tama yun.
So it's really a matter of choice and it's a matter of a priority.
Ano mahalagang bata sa kanila, no? When they eat, no?
Oo.
Does one watch over the other? Or is the other one controlling when it comes to eating? And how long do you guys, stay in the gym? Siyempre, meron tayong oras di ba?
Yes.
Like me, no? If I go, pag alam ko na, up to 2 hours na, ayoko na talaga. Automatic na sa akin yun, titigil na ako, di ba? Perfect for me would be 1 hour 15 to 1 hour and a half. How about you guys?
For me, it's an hour and a half. Lisa, I think she works out
Longer.
Yeah, a lot longer, maybe 3 hours, because
Yes,
she does aerobics.
I'm enjoying it there. I think that's very important.
Oh,
You have to
yun.
enjoy what you do. I like high intensity aero. I can do as
see.
many as 3 hours straight.
Wow.
So it builds up my stamina, my strength. And I feel good
The endorphins, di ba sinasabi nila, meron tayong nire-release when we exercise.
And it's very helpful Not just physically, mentally as well. Keeps you sharp. And it also helps you manage stress. You
Yes.
feel good, as you said.
Yeah.
No?
Well said.
And you have a better perspective on life. And you can deal with your problems better.
Yes. Maybe one thing that I don't know if you mentioned it, no? Pero napakalaga nito, no? You have confidence when you feel that you're in good shape.
Yes.
Nandoon na yung kumpiyansa, di ba? Wala naman ako nakikita ang tao na maganda ang katawan, maganda yung outlook sa kanyang buhay, pagkatapos walang kumpiyansa. Kasama na yun, di ba?
Yes,
Oo.
yes.
How about ano bang klaseng diet ninyo? This is what a lot of my friends are asking, no? Anong magandang diet, no?
Actually, sir, there's no really diet per se. It's eating the right food, and well, you can eat what they call junk food
Yes.
now and then, but of course the right amount. And it, as Gretchen said earlier, you'll deprive yourself. That's a no-no. You should also eat what you like in small amounts.
Oh, but let me ask you, Sydney, no? Iba-iba yung metabolism natin,
Yes,
di ba?
correct.
Merong tao, ang bilis,
Yes.
pag may kinain,
Mhm.
sandali lang, pwede na mag-workout,
Yes.
pero naman matagal, ano?
Yes.
So, my conclusion ko lang to, I don't know if it's right, no? Mas masarap yung taong mabilis ang yung metabolism
Ayos.
process mo dahil pagkatapos workout ka na kagad, tapos ngayon gutom ka na naman, kain ka na naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Mahirap kang tumaba. Are you listening?
Yes, I am partner. Mahirap tumaba.
Exercise helps a lot It speeds up metabolism. Yung sa cardio kasi like aero, makes you lose weight And yung weight training naman speeds up metabolism so that even when you're at rest, nagbe-burn ka pa rin ng calories.
That's right.
Ganun ang diet niya sa mga vegan meals.
Because if you want to bring out all your muscles, you have to bombard yourself with a lot of protein in your diet, like fish or chicken. And
Hindi naman siguro puro boiled ang kinakain. Di ba may ibang ganun?
Steamed, boiled, baked, pwedeng nasabaw. Basta as I said, pwedeng little or no salt. Walang
And
mantika,
yeah,
diba?
you're correct, frequent. We eat around 6 to 8 times a day.
And sir, we ate steamed kamote, tapos hilaw na saging
Yeah,
saba.
and,
Tapos a lot of
Pero
beans.
paano yun? Pag
green
dumadaan
vegetables
kayo
and
sa
fruits.
restaurant at medyo naamoy mo yung niluluto, hindi ba nakakapandawa yun?
At first, sir, medyo talagang
Iinit ang ulo
tempting,
mo.
talagang kaya,
Sa
is correct.
gutom.
Iinit ang ulo mo kasi you want to eat that
Sawa.
particular food pero hindi mo magawa dahil
Hindi
you're
pwede.
competing
Oo.
hindi lumabas yung mga gusto mo palapasin na muscle.
Yes, yung the six-pack, lalo na sa lalaki.
Parang sa picture mo, Cindy, ngayon na parang 8 yun.
Hindi naman.
Parang nakita ko 8. At sa Slimmers ba kayo nag-workout?
We're lifetime members, yes. We used to see the senator there.
Yes.
yung
Ba't di ka na doon,
afternoon.
partner?
Ayoko sabihin kung bakit ayoko.
Sige.
Gretchen, I must say that the senator is a perfect example of fitness.
Mm-mm. Ikaw nga, partner, institusyon ka ng fitness. Bakit nga? Ikaw partner naman, ikaw tatanungin ko, ako tinanong mo kanina, why do you talagang maintain and talagang very religious ka sa pag-exercise mo?
Because I enjoy it.
You enjoy it.
Because if you don't enjoy it, you're not gonna do it.
But more than
And
anything,
you will always find reasons not to go to the gym. Like, sabi mo, malayo, matraffic, magastos, makusok, marami lahat yan. Di ba?
pero yung
Pamilya ko.
physical aspect, did it also play a big part? Yung syempre, nasa camera ka, partner, so you have to maintain.
Hindi, I think it was more of my being an athlete. Di ba? Nasanay na ako nung,
Nahanap ng katawan mo.
nandun na yung salitang discipline when you're an athlete, no? You cannot stay out late, you cannot smoke, you cannot, fool around.
Sir, Gretchen, isang motivation pa. When you work out, kahit sa bahay ka lang, mag-workout ka sa harap ng salamin, tapos you wear something na nakikita mo yung form mo, at gaganahan ka eh. You know what to do, you know what you have to work on. Tapos pag habang nag-workout ka, nakikita mo yung improvement in how you look and how you feel. That will motivate you eh, and that will make it enjoyable eh. Ikaw na mismo eh, ang magsasabi eh.
How about the weight scale?
The weighing scale.
Weight scale. Di ba? Para at
Ay,
least
oh,
makikita
the
mo.
weight
So
scale, yes.
every week, when you wake up, pag nakita mo na na
In my
bumababa.
case, sir, I weigh every morning. And I use a tape measure also. Kasi I want to be on the right track eh. Siyempre, I want to, ang hirap eh, to reach this point eh, di ba? So I want to continue. Tsaka, for life na to. Kasi, di ba, we want, as I said, yung good quality of life. And together, para, we're there for each other and for our kids.
Yes. Talking about your kids, no? For our televiewers, sa teleradyo, kasama po nila yung kanilang mga anak, partner, no?
Yes, 3 of
Ano
them.
naman, pakibati naman sila, no? Who they are.
Did they also work out with you guys?
Carissa is also a lifetime member.
Oh, wow, okay.
She's graduating.
Yeah, Carissa, Zedric, and Xavier. The youngest one is Xavier, our eldest is Carissa, and Zedric is over there with the camera.
I see.
What are their ages?
Si Xavier, he's 6, he was conceived in Paris.
Oh,
The city of love. Kaya Xavier John.
Wow,
ang
okay.
name niya. And our Carissa, she's the eldest. She's graduating na from college.
talaga?
in
You look
March.
very young, huh?
She, belated happy birthday, anak. Last January 11. And si Zedric, he's only 15 but he stands 5 feet. And, I'm sorry, 5'10". Sorry,
5'10".
Zedric. 5 plus 10.
Malaking bagay yung 10 inches na nawala. Kaya pala umalma yung camera kasi di ba ganon?
May konting comedy. And he wants to be a model. And,
Ayun. Fit na fit din naman, no?
After school.
After school. Yun may payo na mami mo. After school.
Yes. Modeling siguro pwede. Pero school
Oo,
first.
15, 5'10". Tatangkad pa yan,
Of
partner,
course,
di
of
ba?
course. A few times to be able to thank anybody that you want, with anyone that you want, for that matter.
CV first.
Sige. Sige po.
Well, thank you very much for guesting us, sir, Gretchen. We would just like to inspire those couples out there who would like to really work out and have a physical and good lifestyle. And especially, it's fun to work out with your spouse. in the
With your
gym.
partner.
Yeah, and live a good life, a long life.
Yes.
Long and healthy.
Yun naman ang hinahabol talaga natin. You know, when you go to the gym, the idea is to prolong your life.
I'd like to think that God led us to this. As I said, some events led us into fitness and taking this on as a possible career. We hope that we can be given a chance to inspire as many people as we can. Yung kahit, we're not necessarily young, no? And, but even at our age, I'm 45, Sid is 44, parang our lives are just beginning. We feel good about ourselves. We feel strong and healthy and fit. And we'd like sana everyone to also yes, share this experience and this lifetime.
Nakaka-inspire yung
lifestyle
story
with
niya
us.
talaga eh, kasi you really talk about it with passion.
Yes.
Oo, nakikita
It's
mo
coming
partner,
from the
hindi,
heart.
oo
eh.
eh.
Yes, and we're enjoying it, and we thank God. No, that,
And in-exude sa inyo.
Yeah.
Lumalabas siya talaga.
We'd like to thank you.
Thank
know,
you
for
very
taking
much.
time out and
Thank you for
laking
having us.
loob namin sa inyo for coming
We
over and
enjoyed
sharing
our
your
time with you.
experiences with the people that are listening.
Yeah.
Yes,
To
we
get
hope
them
so.
inspired.
At saka sa mga teleradyo viewers,
Yes.
kitang-kita naman talaga. Hindi na natin
Talaga.
maikakaila yung fitness and, you know, they're very healthy partner.
Yep.